What's up, guys? It's been a while since I posted a long time since I posted a video. So I just wanted to say I am going to be posting videos soon. It's just I've been really busy this summer, skating and everything. So I think I'm just going to make a my YouTube skating because I don't play games anymore. I'm kind of out of that now because I'm getting out, doing more stuff, and yeah. So today, guys, you guys all I've been doing this summer really is just, like I said, skating and just chilling. That's it. And I mean, I've changed a lot, but it's a bit, how to explain it? It's a bit hard on people like my family because they're not really liking how I'm out all the time and everything. So I mean, yeah. So I'm gonna be posting skating videos, obviously me skating, but I'm gonna see if I can get my friends to come out and skate with me and everything, and we'll see how that works out. I have to edit everything. I'm not really that well at editing videos, so this one's probably not gonna be edited too much. Maybe some beginning music or something like that, and then a slide. But yeah, just in the comments below, tell me what I should do for my videos when I skate and when I start, what I should, work on and everything. Just give me some pointers in the description. Every like, every like matters. Appreciate it. I'm not really doing well on the subscribers. I'll be getting on soon. I'll be getting back into YouTube soon. And yeah, I mean, put in the comments below what I should do and how I would improve my channel. So thank you guys. Love you all. See ya. Bye.